subscribers told me about Sabang Beach, and on the spur of the moment, and with it being so hot, I decided I was going to go to the beach. And I'm kidding you not, all the way along going towards this beach, we're not there yet, the views are spectacular. I mean, this is fantastic. It is really fantastic. As you all well know, this is the kind of stuff I love about the Philippines. Everywhere you go, there's something to see. There's beautiful scenery, beautiful beaches. It's just fantastic. So anyway, we're just going to have a few moments here and then we're going to be off to the beach. So see you in a mo. Because it's like this all over the Philippines, isn't it? But this is definitely well worth a trip for a few hours and do a bit of sunbathing, a bit of swimming and picnic. Just ideal. Right, there's a lot of my subscribers have been wanting to know who my cameraman is, who the third person is. So today I want to introduce you to Edward. Edward's been doing my my camera work so I can walk about and I don't have to hold the GoPro. And there's a lot of you who will agree he's done a fantastic job, and I thank him for it. Now these boats here actually take you to Caramoan. And it costs, I believe, 120 pesos to get to Caramoan, which is much better than going on a bus. A lot fresher, etc. Nicer scenery, cooler. I don't know what you think about that, but I think it is anyway. Now this beach seems to go on for miles, right over there. So I'm using my mic. It's actually took me over an hour. It took me about an hour and a quarter to get here. The subscriber that told me about it says it was about 45 minutes. It's definitely not 45 minutes. But it doesn't matter because the ride here was just incredible. Really nice. See the kids, they're all happy. You always see them smiling, and they've got like makeshift surfboards that they're using to come in off the beach. Hello. I just think it's incredible that these people live right on the beach. Can you imagine when there's a storm, the suffering they must go through? But I guess they're just rebuilding and carry on. I don't think I could do it anyway. My hat's off to them. Can you imagine if there's a storm and you're living somewhere like this? You know, it must be absolutely terrifying. you know, but these are scattered all up the beach. And this is their daily lives, what they have every day. But I guess it's nice to wake up to this, you know. When we were walking along the beach, I met a woman called Ruby and her family, and she was telling me a story about the typhoons that they normally have at certain times of the year there. And what they have to do is, if there's a typhoon on the way, they have to abandon their properties and go to shelter. And sometimes when they come back, their homes have gone with all their possessions. I really felt sorry for the family, because they've gone through some hard times. They do a lot of fishing to support the family, and they're living on, I think she said they have 8 children, and they're living on 200 pesos a day, and there's 8 to feed on 200 pesos. I just think it's so amazing, and my hat goes off to her and her family.
Ate, anong pangalan mo po? Ruby. Perang taon na po ka mo? Every month daw po, magkano yung parang budget nyo po sa pamilya? Every month. Or kahit every day po, ano yung magkano na binabudget nyo po? Sige po.
Ang tanging hanap buhay ko din, masabat kami dyan ng mga parasira, matinda kami sila. Tapos, pag may bagyo, maharali kami dito. Entero initi abot ng dagat. Entero harong di kinawawara. Padang natatanda sa nabibanday dyan na dahil abot ng alay. Minsan sa, sa overcourt sa San Jose.
San Jose.
Yung sa naman ang lipatan mena. Hindi kami abutan ng dagat. Pag nagkuba ng bagyo, mapanig kami dito. Kung may natada kami, dikit na kahoy, o kaya, bumini, kubo-kubo, para mas maisarang kami. Habang naghahanap buhay namin, mapagtitid kumikirari ang harap na yun.
Thank you.
Minsan may nagtatabang na dikit, nahali sa gobyerno gayon. Tabangan mas ang dikit lang, para mas mabuo may ang harap na kirari.
That's it. That's my visit to the beach done. It's been really interesting, really interesting. It's a nice place to visit for a picnic, whatever, for a couple of hours. Just right. So as usual, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, my patrons for helping me do these kind of things, and I'll see you again all soon. Bye for now. If you like my videos, please subscribe, help me on Patreon, give me the thumbs up, like on Facebook. Here's some more videos, or you can buy one of my t-shirts and help me out that way.